Good morning, one and all present here for this virtual celebration of KVS Foundation Day. Honorable Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, New Delhi, Deputy Commissioner, Regional Office, Mumbai, Assistant Commissioner and staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya, students and dear parents. 15th December is one of the memorable day in the history of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The Sangathan starts functioning on 15 December 1963. To that time, it was known as a central school. Then after 2 years, the name was reviewed and now it is recognized as Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. This one is the largest educational institute in the world. In approximate 12 lakh plus students are studying from class 1 to 12th. There are 1200 plus schools in India and 3 schools abroad. The motto behind start this largest educational institute is to cater the needs of the transferable employee, especially the employees those who are working in the field of defense, military, paramilitary services and other central government departments where transfer is taking place frequently. There was a great issue with the students of such employees where how to accommodate them in different state with different languages and different culture school. That's why the school starts functioning to cater the needs of the transferable government employee. This Sangathan is providing each and every facility to the students like sports, games, libraries, laboratories, computerized labs, playgrounds, play equipments, fitness, green gyms, etc. It means whatever the children are having their needs and whatever the requirement of the society is there, the Sangathan, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is trying to fulfill all sorts of needs of the society, which is really helpful. You might have been observed in the situation of this COVID-19, the staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya has given online education to your wards, where they are all students from class 1 to 12, they are taking successful online education through the virtual mode. It means wherever the problems are there, then the Sangathan is trying to solve the problems. There is always good support of all the officers and administrative staff of the Kendriya Vidyalaya to the teachers to cope up with the needs and with the requirement of the society. On this auspicious occasion, on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya staff, I personally congratulate you for this KVS Foundation Day, and I hope Kendriya Vidyalaya will provide us the better opportunity for the students in India and abroad to meet the need of the country, and by this way the country will do proper progress. Once again, I congratulate you each and everyone and thank you for this virtual presentation. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Respected dignitaries of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, officials of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, teaching and non-teaching staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and all the stakeholders of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. On the occasion of the foundation KVS Foundation Day, we are celebrating virtually on 15th of December, the KVS Foundation Day. On this occasion, I welcome you all for this virtual program. Also, I greet one and all on being a part of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and celebrating the KVS Foundation Day. As you all are aware that our KVS is a pace-making organization in the field of education. It's a pioneer institute where we cater to the needs of education of all the children. And here in this context, I am very happy to say that our Kendriya Vidyalaya promotes national integration. We have Kendriya Vidyalayas from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from East Dibrugarh to the West Bengal, to the west, from northeast and to all the parts of the country. As a result, our employees are transferred in any part of the Kendriya Vidyalaya, which automatically, because of this policy, it promotes national integration. And this is seen in our children. Our children not only excel in the field of education and academics, but they also do very well in sports and in art and culture. We also are dealing with the all-round development of the children. Hence, our children are bringing laurels in sports as well as in art and culture. We do celebrate the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which itself promotes the feeling of national integration with our children. And in today's context, in this virtual world, in the time of pandemic, we are reaching our children through the online mode and also the offline mode. So here our process of education continues and our learning continues. I'm very proud to be a part of the Kendriya Vidyalaya, where the Kendriya Vidyalaya not only fosters to the need of children, but also encourages and sees to the welfare of the employees. We have the incentive awards for the employees, and not only incentive awards, but in-service training and professional training is also given to the teachers, which help the teachers for their own betterment, for professional growth, and as a result, it is the growth of the institute. So here, peace and harmony also prevails in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, where all the employees work hand in hand to bring ultimate cause of learning and education be true and be a reality. So I'm really proud to be a part of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and very special thanks to all our teachers who are at this moment working in this time of pandemic and bringing education to the doorstep of the learner, where all our students are being covered through this online and offline mode. We not only celebrate only education, but we celebrate our virtual days also, and many programs are virtually being conducted, and they are definitely reaching the students. Once again, I congratulate all the teachers and all the stakeholders of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for making our KVS a success organization and a leading organization in the field of education, where we bring all-round development of the children, and also we think about building our nation and bringing the true spirit of humanity, peace and love in every human being. With this, I thank you one and all, and I thank you for your patient listening. Thank you very much.
Good morning, respected Principal B.L. Londe Sir, Vice Principal Samta Ma'am, H.M. Manish Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. As you know, we are celebrating Foundation Day. This is a special day when the entire school has a chance to reflect and also founders, but also on the significant development since the school's inspection. Is the day set aside to celebrate the history and recite the connecting with the continued journey of the school. We celebrate surroundings and wonderful facilities. We celebrate the joy of learning as we celebrate the bond of the sharing with past and present members of the Kendriya Vidyalaya school family. Let's bring to our school's history and let's remind some wonderful memories of our school. Our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was established on 15 December 1963. Our school organizes many events in every year like sports, educational, etc. As of October 2020, there were 1,243 schools named Kendriya Vidyalaya. It is the one of the largest school chain in the world, 1,240 schools in India and 3 operated abroad. I am glad to say that I study in this school. Lastly, I would like to say, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय यह मंत्र विश्व में छाएगा, तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। जय हिंद।